everyone, welcome back. It's your host Sheen Musa bringing you the latest buzz from the world of food and grocery delivery. And trust me, this week's drama is next level. From shocking shutdowns to intense battles between restaurants and delivery giants. You don't want to miss this. Buckle up because things are about to get wild. First up, huge news coming from India. Dunzo, the popular delivery service that's been a go-to for groceries, food and even medicine, has decided to shut down operations. After years of serving cities like Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai and more, this delivery giant is out of game. But wait, why did it happen? Was the competition just too fierce? What does this mean for the Indian delivery landscape moving forward? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, moving on. Things are heating up between Indian restaurants and delivery giants like Swiggy and Zomato. With Swiggy's Snack and Zomato's Blinkit promising 15-minute food delivery from dark kitchens, restaurant owners are not happy. They are calling foul, saying these platforms are using customer data to hurt their business. And guess what? Zomato's stock just dropped by 20%. What's your take on this? Is this a win for consumers or a recipe for disaster for traditional restaurants? Now across the globe in the UK, Tesco is stepping up its delivery game. They have just expanded their same-day delivery and click and collect services across 400 stores. With earlier time slots and more flexibility for consumers, Tesco is making waves. But hold on, does this mean the competition is getting tougher for other grocery stores? Can Tesco's new strategy steal the spotlight from other delivery services in the UK? You tell me. What a week, right? The delivery world is definitely keeping us on our toes. Let me know what you think about these major shifts. Will Dunzo's closure shake up the Indian delivery market? Are dark kitchens the future or a problem for restaurants? And will Tesco's new move be a game changer in the UK? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. I'll catch you next time with more exciting updates from the delivery world. Stay tuned.